Here we're looking at GILD, and we're looking at it on the weekly. Let me just go real quickly to the daily. You could see that we did create a new low, and I wanted to kind of keep this in perspective of what we're seeing here when sometimes when you look at this, and we're kind of going into the longer term kind of prospect here, because we could lock in our gain here, but I think if we're really seeing a break in the marketplace, we could see this go much lower, and I think it just makes sense to kind of position in that regard. But when you see this on the weekly, I think it clearly gives you an idea of how potentially bearish this could be. You see this really running sideways, not really able to kind of get too far from that, and you just see it start to continue to go much lower. I think very likely if we take out this 85 level, this prior range here, we would see this go much lower. Keep in mind it's had a very nice move, and so we have to see it take out this kind of prior range, and then I think if we see that, that would really start to show volumes here. But you could see the divergence clearly here. Huge difference between here and a 5 wave. So that's really what I think we're seeing. I think here's your 3, 4, and 5, and now you're starting to see the reversal here, and I think we could see a pretty dramatic move if it really starts to work on itself. So we're just going to stay positioned.